Today we are going to develop a chatbot and not just a random demo chatbot. This will be a production ready chatbot, and this is the exact chatbot I built for one of my our client. And let me show you how can you build a fully production ready chatbot. And just little bit of coding you can still make this chatbot. I will be telling you how can use a AI as a leverage to build this chatbot. So without wasting time, let's get dive in. Start building the chatbot. I had created a demo website for this. Now we are going to add a chatbot here. To add a chatbot we are going to use OpenAI's chat kit. This is the official documentation of how we can use a chatbot inside our website. If you want you can read the whole documentation, but we are going to just copy the page, and for that I will be using anti-gravity to build the website. Let's go to chat chatkit playground chatkit playground studio. This is the link, chatkit.studio. Here we can design how our chatbot looks like, and the greeting will be how I can help you. This is the greeting we had. Here we did two changes. We had the greeting how I can help you, and we set the starter prompt none. And we can go here, click on the copy icon. Let's get to our integrity. Add the chatbot at the bottom of the page, and use OpenAI's chat kit. Doc. And we can just paste our the, and we hit send. Then anti-gravity start building our chatbot. Anti-gravity generated a implementation plan for us. Here is he asking for two things. First OpenAI's API key and the chat workflow ID. To get the API key, go to the platform.openai.com and go to the API section, API key, generate a new API key. I have successfully created the API key. Now let's get to create a .env file. Paste your API key here, copy, paste. Now we have to need give chat. Now let's go to agent builder. This is the website developers.google. No, this is the website platform.openai.com agent. This is the OpenAI agent builder. Now let's go to for that next we need a chat kit workflow. So we have to first create agent. Go to agent builder, create a new workflow, and first this is the agent. First we are going to add a guardrail. Delete this agent, connect this thing. Integrated at jailbreak hallucination. Sorry. After the and the fail, add a end module. In the agent created now to add instruction we are going to use agent URA your task to your task is to tell the only now hit create. This will generate an instruction for the our agent. Here now create and publish, name the agent, it will be coffee shop. Create publish. Now we get the workflow id, copy this the workflow id and now paste this thing to here. And we successfully added all the requirements, and now we can proceed with the plan. Anti-gravity does such that he completed the task, but we are not seeing anything. So we are let's to go tell the chat GPT. Yes. Let's tell there is no chat visit at the landing page. Now anti-gravity has started working on it. It launches a Chrome browser to visually check is there any error. Anti-gravity done working. Anti-gravity has completed his task. Let's go check in the how it looks like. Okay, here is the chat icon. Let's click on it and let's ask him tell me your menu. And that's it. And this is how you can build a chatbot for any local businesses.